Damn, I hate being sober. I'm a smoker. I want drink.
What's good, y'all? It's Advanced Isolation. Welcome back to another video, and today I'm gonna be doing my first gameplay of Madden Mobile. Yes, you hear it, Madden Mobile. Cause how can you have a Madden channel and football-based channel without Madden Mobile? So, you know, I got the best Madden Mobile team in my school. I take that as an honor. I know 84 overall doesn't look like a lot, but when you have Cam Newton under center, you could do some wonderful things.
Cam Newton decides not to dive in there and
he backs away from it.
So yeah, we're just gonna, you know, wreck some people in head to head, and let's see how many wins we get out here. So we're gonna find a rookie. All right, what's his name? Jordan. Bet he won't play like Jordan. He ain't gonna come through the clutch, you know. So here we go. We're gonna have our first drive. Oh, I banged my microphone. We're gonna have our first drive right now. Just waiting for it to download the stadium. So here we go. We're gonna return the punt from the he's a Dallas Cowboys fan. We gotta go off on him. So the first drive, let's get this done as soon as possible. We're gonna have Coates taking it in the backfield. You know, he's fast. All right. So the spin failed, obviously. So we're gonna do a spot. All right. We got Cam Newton, so everything's fine. 86 overall, Cam Newton. I got JJ Nelson, maxed out his speed stats. I maxed out his speed stats, so you got that going for you. Nah, we don't do that here. We going for the run. We going for the strong toss. Watch this. He ain't ready for this. He ain't ready for this heat. He ain't ready for this heat. And I got a 90 overall Le'Veon Bell. Exactly. I'm repping. Come on now. Already got 10 points. Hold on. How did I get 10 points? I got a safety. That's how you know my defense is good. That's how you know. I told you. I got almost a whole team of elites. Uh-oh. There we go. Representing. Hey, let's pull up a Hail Mary on him. Why not? We decked in Packer uniform. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Jesus. Damn. I knew I was gonna dominate, but not like this. Oh my goodness. Jesus Christ. This is absolutely this is a slaughterhouse. Oh my goodness. What really would put a cherry on top if I return this to the house. Hey, let's see that. I got maxed out speed stats by Coates. Let's do it. Oh! Dang. Alright, let's just kill him again with the Hail Mary and just say goodnight. Let's kill him off with that Hail Mary. Oh, look at all that separation. Oh, lag. The lag. Oh my. Okay. Probably because I'm recording this, but. And I got a 90 overall Charles Clay. So you got that going for you. You cannot. He already lost. Because I got that safety by that. Uh-oh. Y'all too slow. Y'all are too slow for Le'Veon Bell. Let's see if there's anybody on pro. I'm still waiting. Exactly. What did I tell you? Everybody's look who jumps on rookie. Oh, did I just kill the competition? Is there nobody up against me? Are you serious right now? Wow. I cannot believe this. Oh. Apparently we do. I was about to cancel the search, but apparently we have Fred. Lucky. Let's test his defense. How fast is cornerbacks? Oh yeah. I'll blast by him. He only 80 overall. I'm gonna blast by him. Thank you. Whoop. Calm the flash. He's too fast. Ooh, y'all are too slow. Hey, did you replace that lineman with a cornerback? I'm looking at something else. I wasn't even paying attention to the screen. Watch this. Cam Newton. Ooh. Look at it. Look your boy go to the left. Looking like Aaron Rodgers out there. Woo! Boom. All day, baby. I'll take that. Oh, y'all forgot Stephon Diggs? Y'all Y'all sleeping on my boy Stephon Diggs. Y'all sleeping on my boy Stephon Diggs. Oh my god, you need 10 points. You need 10 points, and you're already on your. Good night. Good night. Give me my money. Give me my money. I want my money. Game over. Game over. I'm just waiting for the dub. So if you guys like this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more Madden gameplay, and for more NFL transaction news, like any major NFL news. See, yeah, it's over. He gave up. Your boy gave up. So make sure to subscribe and like and stay tuned.